Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Aaron Maurer and I want to welcome you to the Raspberry Pi Level 1 workshop course. As you know, we are in some uncharted territory, and so what was supposed to be a 2-day face-to-face workshop, we are now going to move. I'm going to attempt to create online. This is my remote teaching, my remote learning, so I'm in the same boat with many of you, trying to figure out what this looks like. And I do think it's possible. I do think we can do some great learning together. And I want to start off in this video by just welcoming you to the course. Some of you were signed up and registered to be part of the face-to-face workshop. Some of you are signing up. You've caught wind of this online and you're joining in for your own learning. So I want to welcome all of you. We're going to be using Google Classroom. This is our safe space, our place where we're going to house all the learning, all the projects, all the activities. And so each week I will release a week of videos, tutorials, guides, resources, questions, office hours, those types of things for you. And then along the way, you have a place where you can go back to a repository of information, tips, and tricks. I'm also banking on all of you to bring your experience and expertise to the table. So even if you've never used a Raspberry Pi, or you've got some experience with it, or you have a plethora of experience, we can all support and work with one another. So I'm hoping that the Google Classroom will be a place for us to do that. I will also have a Discord channel, which is used a lot by video gamers to have for just that quick online interaction, the chatting and the messaging, which we'll all discover here very soon. But for now, I just want to welcome you. This is the classroom. We're in uncharted territory, as I mentioned earlier. So bear with me as you're learning what this online and remote learning looks like for you. I'm doing the same thing for myself. And so I've been trying to re-engineer what was supposed to be 2 days of face-to-face. Usually we're going to spend day one completely hands-on, just exploring the Raspberry Pi, all the bells and whistles, and just doing some simple projects. And then day two, building an actual remote control car using a Wii controller and cardboard and hot glue and Lego. But we're going to rethink some of those things. Not that they're not possible, but really open up the opportunities for you to take things to that next level. And so we're going to get there. But for now, I just want to make sure you're in the classroom. I just want to make sure that you feel comfortable with where we're going to house things between the classroom and Discord. And number two, we have just one simple assignment. So it should be, I don't know, below this video if you're watching through the announcements, or maybe it's up there, over there. I'm not sure, depending on your navigation. Just asking you, it's assignment 001, to say hello, to introduce yourself via Flipgrid. Flipgrid is going to allow us to share our projects and video questions and conversations. And so just jumping in there, introducing who you are, where you're from, and what you want to learn from this course. Remember, it's a beginner course, so we're not going to be doing too many crazy robust things, but we're going to be doing enough to get you confident, comfortable, and definitely empower you to do some amazing things within your classroom. So I just want to take this time to welcome you. Make sure you get into the classroom. Make sure you say hello in the Flipgrid so I know that you're in. And once I see people in, we're going to start to unveil the first bigger project, which is really going to be, how do we wire it up? How do we set it up? How do we format the SD card? How do we get noobs on there? And how do we start to run Raspbian so we can even see the features and the potential of the Raspberry Pi? All right, my friends, this is just the beginning, a new venture for you and for me. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get started. I got my coffee. I got goofy. I'm ready to rock and roll. I hope you are too. So say hello in the Flipgrid. In a few days, we'll be kicking off with our first set of projects. And until then, remember, my friends, stay awesome. Peace.